How your life feels is more important than how it looks. Doing your best looks different every day. Stop trying to keep up with everyone you see online and run your own race. It's never too late to do better. Sometimes you have to put feelings aside and look at their actions. Being a nice person means being nice to yourself as well. Whatever didn't work out wasn't meant for you, just the process. Stop expecting success without having put the work in. Making mistakes is okay, it's how you learn. Keep taking care of yourself even when you are tired. Don't give up on the person you are becoming. It's okay if all you do today is survive. You need less than you think. Just enjoy the moment now. Give yourself credit for the ways you have grown this year. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. Stop being so hard on yourself. You are doing great. Do good things without expecting anything back. Stop keeping tabs on people you are trying to heal from. Realize how much power there is in letting go. The moment you start focusing on yourself, things start falling into place. Forgive yourself. Do it often. Having a big heart is nothing to be ashamed of. Taking care of yourself is productive. Be proud of yourself for how far you have come. Do what you gotta do, even if that means doing it alone. If protecting your peace is selfish, then so be it. Ask yourself, does my life reflect my hopes or my fears? It's okay to want more for yourself. You don't have to settle. Treat people with kindness today. We are all going through a lot. Don't lose yourself trying to help someone else find themselves. Change is uncomfortable but necessary. Some days you are productive, other days you just don't have it in you. Recognize that this is normal and it is okay. Taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of the rest of your body. You give life to, but you give energy to. Don't disconnect with yourself in order to connect with someone. Sometimes you just have to rest. The world can wait. You become who you hang around. Surround yourself with motivated, positive people and watch what happens. Healing isn't all sunshine and roses. Don't be so hard on yourself. Hard days are an important part of the process. You didn't go through all of that for nothing. You are busy doubting yourself while so many people are intimidated by your potential. Believe that you are deserving. Cleanse your life of people who take advantage of your good nature. You don't have to apologize for removing people from your life that repeatedly disrespect your boundaries. Focus on the step in front of you, not the whole staircase. Don't try to force an outcome. What's for you will be for you. God will open doors when the time is right. Only compare yourself to your previous self. Detachment is power. Release all things that no longer work for you. Being positive doesn't mean you have to be happy all the time and ignore reality. It means trusting that even on hard days, you know that better ones are coming. Doing your best might look different each day, but at least you are trying. Don't allow yourself to be manipulated into thinking that wanting to be loved loudly is asking for too much. You have made it through every single worst moment of your life. Have no doubts that you will continue to survive and thrive. Never underestimate the power of some coffee and a good playlist. Take a minute right now and appreciate how far you have come. Like despite it all, you are still here, pushing forward. You did that. Do not ask others to support your version. Their opinion will not change your reality, just your position. Never underestimate the power of a good cry. Don't get comfortable existing in spaces where you know you deserve better. You know you are doing well when you lose interest in looking back. Don't spend your time creating non-existing scenarios and hurting your own feelings. Trust your intuition, that's what it's there for. Don't shrink yourself for other people's comfort. You need to start believing that nothing is too good for you. Your words hold so much power. Don't tolerate negative self-talk. You will succeed, even if it takes time. You will make it. Don't allow your fear of the outcome to stop you from getting started. As much as the world fails you, never regret having a good heart. There isn't a thing in this world that can take what is meant for you. It's okay to make the same mistakes over and over. Life is complicated and confusing. Be patient with yourself. You don't have to accept things you are not okay with. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Remember, it's not selfish to take care of your needs first. Stop feeling guilty about prioritizing your boundaries. Doesn't make yourself small for someone else's comfort. It's time for you to choose yourself. Be mindful of how you are spending your time and energy. Peace is not something you wish for. It is something you make, something you are, something you do, and something you give away. Don't be afraid of the solitude that comes with raising your standards. Never tell anyone your plans. Show them your result instead. Be gentle with yourself. You are doing the best you can. Social media can be very overwhelming. It's important to remember that you have the power to close the tab, delete the app, and turn off the screen sometimes. Acknowledge your past mistakes and use that as fuel to your growth as you move forward. You have time. Slow down and make sure it's right. It's better to regret than wonder what if. Their opinion is not your reality. One life we have achieved, let it be lived fully.